CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.8 Identify Basic Networking Concepts. Access Point. In a traditional wired LAN, devices are physically connected using cables and network switches, but in a wireless LAN, we eliminate the need for these cables. This is where wireless access points come into play. A wireless access point, also known as a WAP, is a network device that allows wireless communication between devices in a wireless local area network. Think of an access point as a central connection point that brings wireless connectivity to life. It acts as a bridge between your wireless devices and the network, allowing them to communicate with each other and with the rest of the system. But that's only part of the story. A better question is, how does a wireless access point actually connect to wireless devices and work alongside a wired network? Here's how it works. A wireless access point receives data packets from devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. It then transmits that data over the network. At the same time, it takes data from the wired network and sends it wirelessly to connected devices. This two-way communication allows for seamless access to network resources and services without any cables. Connecting to a wireless access point is just like joining a Wi-Fi network. When you turn on your device's Wi-Fi, it scans for available networks. Once it detects the access point, it gives you the option to connect. After you're connected, you can browse the internet, access shared files, or print documents, just like you would on a wired network. So if this all sounds familiar, like something a network switch would do, you're not wrong. A wireless access point is essentially a wireless version of a switch. It provides local connectivity, but without the tangle of Ethernet cables. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.